In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset your Eufy doorbell to factory default setting. Basically, what you want to do is to get yourself the removal kit that comes with the Eufy product, or you can get yourself a paper clip, but either way, it's going to work the same. The first thing that you want to do is to simply remove the Eufy doorbell onto the wall socket right here. Now you can do that by using the removal tool right under the Eufy doorbell, which is going to be this one. From there, you can just flip your Eufy doorbell device, and then you have this small button right here that you want to go ahead and insert your removal tool into. You can just press this specific button for around 10 to 15 seconds and you will see a red light appear on this part of the doorbell. Basically, from there, you can confirm that you have successfully reset the device by hearing a doorbell sound. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.